In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage the URL of files uploaded to the Files tool in HubSpot. This is extremely important if you're working with website assets, PDFs, images, lead magnets, or any file that's already being used on live pages or emails. Understanding how HubSpot handles file URLs can save you from broken links and unnecessary headaches. So let's walk through everything step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Content. From the drop-down, select Files. This will open the Files tool, where all your uploaded assets are stored, including images, documents, videos, and other media files. Once you're inside the Files tool, click on any file you want to manage. As soon as you click it, a right sidebar will open with detailed file information. This sidebar is where you'll control everything related to that file's URL and management settings. In this right panel, you'll see several important options. First, you'll see the file URL. This is the direct link that's used anywhere the file is embedded or shared. Right below that, you'll see the file path. You'll also see action buttons like Replace, Clone, Move, and Archive or Delete. If you simply need the link, click Copy URL to instantly copy it to your clipboard. Now, let's talk about one of the most important features, replacing a file while keeping the same URL. This is crucial if your file is already being used on live pages. To do this, open the file in the Files tool. Then in the right sidebar, click Replace. Upload the new version of the file from your computer. HubSpot will update the file content, but the URL stays exactly the same. That means anywhere the file is currently used will automatically display the updated version without you having to change any links. This is the safest way to update PDFs, brochures, or images that are already live. Next, what if you need a completely new URL? In that case, you'll want to clone the file instead of replacing it. Click on the file, then choose Clone from the right sidebar. After that, rename the file. When you rename the cloned version, HubSpot automatically generates a new URL for it. This is useful if you want to create a variation of a file without affecting the original version that might already be in use. Now, let's clear up a common misconception. If you move a file into a different folder for organization purposes, this does not change the URL. Click Move in the sidebar and select a new folder. While the file's location inside the Files Manager changes, the public URL remains exactly the same. HubSpot file URLs do not reflect your internal folder structure, which makes organizing safe from a linking perspective. However, renaming a file is different. If you rename the original file, the URL will change, and this is very important. HubSpot does not automatically redirect the old URL to the new one. So if that file is being used on a live web page, landing page, blog post, or marketing email, those links will break. Always double-check where a file is being used before renaming it. So to quickly recap, use Replace if you want to update the file but keep the same URL. Use Clone if you need a new URL. Moving a file does not affect the URL, but renaming a file will change the URL and can break existing links. That's how you manage the URL of files uploaded to the Files tool in HubSpot, safely and effectively. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.